rising from the bayou heat. Swamp dog got the whole band on their feet. Fire on the grill and a jam in the yard. Ain't no cover songs, we play it hot and hard. It's BBQ Jams, y'all, the music's live, the meat's on. Grab a plate, grab a seat, the sun ain't even gone. Let's get involved.
Swamp dogs for the win. Come on, people, let's get involved. Woo! Hello and welcome back to BBQ Jams. I'm your host, Wil Blumberg, and tonight, guys, we're gonna be cooking up some swamp dogs. I know that sounds weird, but it's gonna be incredible. You guys have to hang in and check it out. So guys, who's coming over tonight? We have on bass, Matt Horhota. It's gonna be cool. He hasn't been on bass in a minute. Looking forward to that. Also, we have Mike Linsky back on guitar and the return of Steve Wheeler. He's been gone for like 10 weeks, so we're so happy to have him back on the show. I'm looking forward to this. It's gonna be so much fun. And myself, Wil Blumberg on drums. So without further ado, let's get involved, people. Boom! So how are we gonna prepare these swamp dogs? Guys, we've already got them in the bag marinating. And basically what we've done is we've scored our hot dogs, we've chopped up an onion, put it all in the bag. We put in some Italian dressing. We also did some Worcestershire sauce and some Creole seasoning. Mixed it all up, give it a good zhuzh, and then throw it into the refrigerator overnight. And then now we're at this point and we're gonna be popping it on the flat top here shortly. And I'm gonna show you how to do that here in just a minute. So yeah, here we go. All right, these dogs are all marinated up. We're gonna throw them in the pan. All right, we're gonna brown these guys up. We'll be right back. You guys enjoy these jams, like and subscribe. Come on, people, let's get involved. Okay, I'm gonna transfer them over to the side over here, kind of keep them warm. We're gonna get this sauce cooking, so here we go. Let's go ahead and pour this bag into our skillet. Now we're gonna go in with some ketchup and mustard. We're gonna toast up some buns, let this reduce, and we'll see you guys back here in just a minute. Hey, while our sauce is reducing, we're gonna toast our buns.
What kind of buns, Will?
These are brioche buns. All right, while this is reducing, we're actually gonna put our dogs back in here. Really get those juices soaked up in there.
Swim around, are you?
Swim around in the juices, why not? Oh man, this is gonna be insane. All right, let's load some dogs. Swamp dogs for the win. Come on, people, let's get involved. Woo! All right, these swamp dogs are ready to get chowed upon right here. So we've got, hey, we had Mike Linsky over here. Come on down. Come on down. What's up, dude?
What's up, man?
Good to have you back, sir.
Thanks for having me.
You excited?
These look amazing. Yeah.
I know. I'm curious.
Anyone?
Anyone. And I'm gonna also bring I'm gonna bring Matt Horhota over as well. We're all gonna go in together and get some dogs.
Hey, Matt.
What's up, dude? How's it going, man? You excited?
Yeah, look at these.
Gonna have some, I know, just pick
this
one.
This one's special.
Dude, I think
I'll leave that for somebody else.
I may have to grab that one. I don't know. Hey, and we also have Steve Wheeler that's back. Come on down, Steve. What's up, man?
Wiener.
Wiener. That's right. Pick your wiener.
Not on camera, thank you.
All right, guys. Here we go. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. So we're gonna get involved with these swamp dogs and see how this goes. So Wheeler's gonna chow on his over there, so he's out. All right, here we go. You ready?
Cheers. Yep.
Cheers, everybody. Cheers, Wheeler.
Cheers.
This is gonna be a messy
How do I
swamp dog.
stabilize
But
it?
I guess that's part of it. It's really hot. Oh my God.
I have no skin in the roof of my mouth now.
Whoa! Holy smokes.
Perfect.
Wow.
Have some marinated hot dog.
That is a marinated swamp dog if I've ever had one before, which I haven't. This is my first time. But that has got a lot of onion going on in it, which is real nice. I don't know how to explain this. It's just very unique and different. That's very good. If you're looking for something different and something exciting, the swamp dog is right up your alley. What do you guys think?
Love it.
Pretty good, huh?
First time. Love it.
First time, me too. It's not bad.
This is what I was imagining.
Damn
when
good.
You said swamp dog.
Oh. Hard to speak,
Yeah. It's hard to eat in the sauna.
but that Italian dressing really like kicks it to a whole nother level. That is so good. You guys gotta try this. Get involved with some of these swamp dogs. Whoa. Guys, I can't wait to get a hold of some of these jams tonight too. So looking forward to that. Swampy jams. It is swampy out here, and this is totally appropriate for the night because it's a little swampy out here in Florida tonight. Anyway, we'll be right back. I'm going to bring on some other guests. You guys hang tight. All right, now that I've cleaned myself up from the swamp dog that I just had, which was really good, by the way. This is Mikey. Mikey Jones is up here. What's up, bro?
What's up, dude?
You excited?
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, brother. Of course. I know it's been a minute since I had you over.
Yeah.
Well, I'm sweating profusely now because I'm so hot because of the swamp dog. So if you want to start
swampy.
sweating with me, get it. Yeah, we're getting swampy. Go check it out, brother. See what you think. I know the onions will get you. Oh man,
Wow. Good.
a whole different ball game, right?
Yeah.
A whole different type of dog.
Tangy.
Yes, that is a great way. Yeah, definitely tangy. I think it's that Italian dressing that's in there. It really throws out that tang. So good. All right, well, you look like you're enjoying it, so that's good. All right, guys, we'll be right back. Enjoy these jams. Thanks, Mike. I appreciate you, buddy. And we'll see you back here in a second. All right, guys, we had an excellent show tonight. These swamp dogs were off the charts. What'd you guys think of these swamp dogs tonight? Come on, guys. Swampy, right? They were swampy. They were definitely swampy. You guys have got to give them a shot. That's it tonight, folks. We're wrapping it up. You guys get involved. Like, subscribe. We'll catch you later. Woo!
BBQ Jams, y'all, the music live, the meat's on. Grab a plate, grab a seat, the sun ain't